Having trouble getting self-tapping metal screws to go through? This is what I do. I use a deck screw. Okay, boom, boom. Show you, etched a little hole. Make sure it's smaller than what you're using so it'll still bite. Bam. Hopefully one day I'll have somebody tape me. Or film, whatever they call that. Bam. Yeah, my battery's going dead. Or no, I just had the torque down. But anyhow, you guys get the point? So now I just stiffened up the door to my greenhouse. I gotta cut these so nothing gets caught on them. Add the other piece here. Well, I'm gonna have to cut a new piece because I don't like how shy that is. But anyhow, that's my trick to self-tappers.